Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on where you're tuning in from. Thank you for tuning in to Becoming Kapampangan. We're in Angeles City, Philippines, and we're going to Fresh Options today. It's a meat store, meat and poultry store. They have some vegetables, meats and steaks, chickens, that kind of thing. So we're going to take you along today and show you where this place is at. It's on Apo Road in Santo Domingo, Angeles City, Philippines. Enjoy the ride. Alright guys, now we're on Apo Road, which is kind of a shortcut for a lot of people. If you're in the Friendship area there by Mansfield Subdivision, this will cut you across right to MacArthur Highway. And we're going to stop up here on the left shortly to find where our favorite pet food store moved to. And they're right at the gate of Villa Angela now. They're called Pet Connection. If you need anything for your cat or dog, what a great store to go to. Just thought I'd let you guys know today is Friday, February 9th. It's about 84 degrees here in Angeles City. This is Barangay Santo Domingo, Apo Road, and we'll be showing up right here at Pet Connection here shortly. Alright, we're arriving at Fresh Options. It's like a butcher shop, basically. Fresh steaks, ground beef, chicken, poultry, that kind of stuff. They have some vegetables, but mostly just a meat store.